everyone, I am Gurpreet Kaur from Top Class Real Estate, and today I am going to show you a beautiful 2-bedroom apartment in Binghatti Nova, JVC, which is the most demanded location in Dubai. Let's have a tour of the apartment.
This brand new smart home stands at a built-up area of 983.18 square feet and comes with a spacious living area perfect for small families, an open kitchen, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The balcony is spacious and surrounds the apartment. The rent comes with 1 reserved parking space and access to the swimming pool, fully equipped gym and many other amenities. We are offering this property for AED 100,000, and if you are interested, do give us a call.